Methods to earn money using cryptocurrencies. Best ways to make money with crypto explained. In this section of our guide on how to make money with cryptocurrency, we will discuss the 8 methods listed above in great detail. Not only in terms of how each method works, but what risks and upside potential to expect. 1. Investing in pre-sales and top new coins early. Get the best price possible on favorable coins such as Wall Street memes and Sonic. The first mover advantage is a concept that some of the most successful investors globally will incorporate into their investing strategy. The idea here is that by investing in an innovative crypto product, top utility token, or service early, this typically offers the most favorable entry price possible. In other words, those who had the foresight to invest in Ethereum during its pre-sale launch at $0.31 per token are now looking at gains of over 1.6 million%. Or by purchasing BNB when it was first launched in late 2017 at $0.11, gains of over 600,000% would have been realized. Gaining exposure to the most promising cryptos in 2023 requires the best crypto portfolio allocation. All of the first mover advantage will no longer be possible with legacy projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, or Cardano. There are plenty of other undervalued cryptos and deflationary cryptocurrencies on the table. In fact, by doing the research, it is possible to find several low-cap crypto gems that are offering their token via a pre-sale campaign at preferential pricing. Want to know which crypto will make you rich? The sections below take a look at some of the best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2023. Wall Street memes, 100% community-driven meme cryptocurrency, over $25 million raised on pre-sale. One of the top ways to make money is by investing in high-potential pre-sales, such as Wall Street memes, $OSM. The $OSM token has been created by the Wall Street memes team, which has a following of more than 1 million across social media platforms such as Instagram and Twitter. This hugely successful pre-sale has raised more than $25 million in a couple of months. However, this is not the creator's first venture in the Web3 space. In 2019, the creators of the Wall Street memes launched Wallspools, their legacy NFT project. The first NFT drop sold 10,000 unique Ethereum-based NFTs in just 32 minutes. Wall Street memes has generated a similar success since the $OSM token was launched on pre-sale. From a total supply of 2 billion, 1 billion tokens have been allocated for the pre-sale. The pre-sale will consist of 30 rounds, and the price of $OSM will move from $0.25 to $0.337 across the stages. Currently, the token is priced at $0.334. 2. Staking and interest. Earn passive income on idle crypto coins. Those wondering how to make money with cryptocurrency for a passive stream of income have several options to consider. One of the best methods to consider in this regard is to sign up with a notable crypto staking platform. In a nutshell, staking is a tool that enables investors to generate interest on crypto assets that would otherwise sit idle in a private wallet. The tokens will be deposited into a blockchain protocol behind the scenes for the purpose of keeping the network safe and operational. The tokens that are deposited will subsequently generate interest, which is forwarded onto the investor after the agreed term. This might be a fixed term across 30 or 60 days, for example. Alternatively, some staking platforms offer flexible terms, which means the investor can reclaim their tokens at any given time. In terms of yields, this often depends on the cryptocurrency being staked and the length of the term. In most cases, staking a smaller cap token across a longer lockup term will generate the highest yields. In contrast, staking a large cap token like Ethereum on a flexible term will likely yield a more conservative interest rate. Either way, the first step when engaging in crypto staking is to choose a suitable platform. One of the best options in this market is OKX. This large-scale crypto exchange supports staking across a wide selection of tokens and terms. 3. Play-to-earn games. Generate free cryptocurrency by playing NFT games. When assessing how to make money in crypto, a popular option for those on a budget is to consider a play-to-earn game. This concept is growing at a rapid pace in the cryptocurrency arena, as it offers many benefits that traditional gaming developers cannot rival. For example, play-to-earn games are usually built on the blockchain network. This means that gaming outcomes are backed by smart contracts for the purpose of fairness and transparency. Moreover, when players earn in-game assets, such as weapons or armor, this will be represented by a unique NFT that is stored on the blockchain. In turn, the player will actually own the in-game asset, which means it can be traded on the open marketplace. Furthermore, and perhaps most importantly, play-to-earn games enable players to win rewards. This is usually paid in the native token that fuels the play-to-earn game. 4. Yield farming and lending. Deposit and lend crypto coins to earn interest. Wondering how to make money on cryptocurrency in the most passive method possible? If so, the best option on the table is likely to be yield farming or lending. Let's start with the former, which offers a way to generate passive income by lending idle cryptocurrencies to a decentralized exchange. For those unaware, decentralized exchanges utilize an automated market maker (AMM) model as opposed to conventional order books, as found on centralized platforms. This means that in order for traders to buy crypto without a seller on the other end of the exchange, the AMM requires sufficient levels of liquidity. Now, this is where the investor comes in, as idle crypto tokens can be lent to the decentralized exchange for the purpose of liquidity provision. In turn, the investor will be paid a share of any trading fees that are collected on the respective tokens. Importantly, yield farming requires investors to provide tokens for a specific pair at an equal amount. 5. Day trading. Actively buy and sell crypto to take advantage of volatility. It is also possible to make money trading crypto. Day trading offers an alternative to long-term investing, as the process requires the trader to actively buy and sell digital assets to take advantage of market volatility. In fact, the trader will likely enter and exit several positions throughout the day and avoid keeping a trade open past standard market hours. To make a profit with cryptocurrency day trading, the concept is to make small returns but on a frequent basis. It should be noted that in order to make money with cryptocurrency via a day trading strategy, there needs to be a solid understanding of how to analyze the markets. This means performing high-level research on the pricing relationship between two currencies. 6. Long-term investing and holding. Buy and hold crypto for long-term gains. In stark contrast to day trading, the most successful investors in the crypto space will take a long-term buy and hold strategy. This therefore raises the question of how much to invest in cryptos to make a profit. Not only does this typically result in the best chance possible of witnessing sizable growth, but it is also the most suitable strategy for beginners. After all, investors simply need to buy their chosen cryptocurrency and leave the tokens in a private wallet. Nothing else needs to be done until the time comes to cash out. Crucially, when taking a long-term buy and hold strategy, investors can avoid the need to constantly check market prices. Moreover, holding onto a cryptocurrency position long-term enables the investor to ride out short-term volatility and wild pricing swings. This is especially the case in the cryptocurrency scene, which is prone to extended bull and bear cycles. Let's consider some examples to illustrate the point. In the build-up to the pandemic, Bitcoin was trading at the $10,000 level. After the markets crashed temporarily as per fears surrounding COVID, Bitcoin dropped by 50% to around $5,000. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.